We all know that living abroad is not easy. Sometimes you can work 2 jobs, 3 jobs, 24 hours, 7 days a week, just to get more money to pay your bills and to take care of our family back in Africa.
So my sister and we're so glad to present you guys an amazing opportunity that it helped us so much in our family, and we believe it will help you too.
Well, imagine a job that you can work everywhere. A job that even though you are like you are going on vacation in Africa, vacation, you can still working everywhere you are on your bed.
Yeah,
How can
with
I
your
say?
children, you can be sometime in a restaurant with your kids, your family. You're still working, so it's actually amazing.
Yeah, because this job is you cut it
Free
with
of
you.
time. You work when you want at your own schedule. You don't need to. No one is rushing with you.
No.
It's actually you can work in your free time. Anyway, it's just amazing, and we believe, as I said, it changed our life, and it can change your life too. So the year 2025 is yours. If you want to change your life, and if you are ready, well, we'll be glad to receive you. So write us a message, and change your life and change your family.